Hello everyone. Start off by drawing an eye, and then while drawing in this eye, leave a little circle that is uncolored. This will make it look like the eyes are glistening. Now once you are done with this, draw the rest of the head along with the ears. At the top, for the body, draw spikes all around. Do this until you reach the other side and make a small little bushy back as well. Do the same for the bottom as well and then make the spikes smaller. As for the legs, draw on the legs at the bottom, and once you are done with this, line it as dark as possible using a black marker. Now once you are done, proceed to color it in with different colors. To start off with, we have chosen the color red and then we moved on to orange, followed by a sort of mustard yellow. After this, we have chosen the color green. Once again, make sure that you do this in layers and don't let it overlap, as this will make some parts darker than the rest. Next, we have chosen to use the color blue. After blue, we will be using the color pink. Now, once you are done with this bushy pointy part, move on to the face. We have chosen this light green in order to color the face. Color it all around and then don't color in the center portion of the ears. As for the snout and the legs, we have chosen to color it using a light shade of orange as such. Now for our next drawing, start off by drawing the shape of a hexagon. Once you are done with this, connect the left top corner to the bottom center. Now this should give you a cuboid-like shape. Draw vertical lines on either side and the front as such. Make them checks and then join them together at the center. Do the same at the top as well, where you connect the lines together. Once you are done with this, use the black marker to make the outlines a lot thicker than they were. Now color different cubes in different colors as such. We started off with the color yellow and then we moved on to the color red. Now we'll be using green and pink. Following this, we will use the color blue. Fill in all the sides using some color or the other. We have tried to keep it to 2 per side maximum. Now use a different shade of turquoise and then orange or a light shade of pink. Now you have a Rubik's Cube. Next, start off by drawing the somewhat cylindrical shape, and as for the bottom, make it look like a vessel. At the top of a vessel, including the handle, make a little paddle-like shape on the side as well. That is a flipper. Add a little heart to your vessel as well as the handle. Now add the lines and the details that need to be added. Right beside this, on the other side, add a little scooper. Once again, add a heart on it. Once you are done with all of this, using the same black marker, make it a thicker outline. Then you may proceed to color in all the different accessories that you have made. We have started off with the vessel and we have decided to color it in red, orange, yellow, green, blue and pink, and the upper part will be a lighter shade of orange. Then moving to the rest of the accessories, we have chosen to use blue and then a light shade of green. As for the other side, a mustard orange and then red. You may color in the hearts in beige. For our next drawing, start off by drawing a star as such. Now outline the star using the black marker a lot darker. Make a line across the top as such and then color it in pink. Right underneath it, make another line in blue and then color that section of it in blue. Following this, use green, yellow, orange and then red. This is how it should look. Thank you for watching.